Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to find restricted messages on your Facebook Messenger or how to find restricted account in your Facebook Messenger. So if you want to do so, first of all I'm gonna show you how to restrict an account on Messenger. So I'm going to restrict now this account. Just press on here on this account. Next, at the bottom of the side you can find here restrict. It was once upon a time that is ignore. Right now it's restrict. So if you restrict someone, they cannot text you, they cannot call you, so everything will be like ignore. So just click on here restrict. Right now you can see that there is no message and I restricted him. So how you can find restricted message or how you can find restricted account? So at the top of the site you can find here that is profile button. You can see here that is 99 and it's my profile on Messenger. So just click on here profile button, then scroll down and you can find here that is privacy. This one privacy, so just click on privacy. Next you can find here three options, that is message delivery, blocked account, restricted account. So just click on here restricted account. Right now you can see I restricted those account. You can see this one I restricted just now, okay, and you can find here those messages I restricted, so you can unrestricted them. Just click on here, then you can find here unrestricted, so just click on here. Right now you can see that is this message is unrestricted. So if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.